1, 2, 1 and 7. All electric.
Electric.
Yeah, all electric i5 rear-wheel drive. Is your Lambo all-wheel drive?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one, yeah, I've never driven a Lambo, so I can't really compare. But I hear that they're very stiffly sprung. So.
Yeah.
Hang tight. Let me just see where this car's going. Okay, we got another one behind them. Okay, they're coming our way. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, gas, gas, gas. Go, go, go. There we go. Easy right, followed by easy left. There you go. Nice and done. Little brakes here. Brake, brake, brake. There you go. A little more brakes there. Okay. Okay, brake early. There you go. Very good. Okay, brake here. There you go. And then little brakes for the left, okay? There you go. Nicely done. All right, go and slow down. Follow the white car into the pit. Very good. Nicely done.
Thank you. A little bit more body roll than the 3 Series, because I remember last year we drove the 3 Series. And
I'm used to rally cars, so this is actually pretty stiffly sprung for me.
Yeah.
And then I have infinitely more grip with this.
But yeah, pretty impressive for such a huge car.
Yeah, the response is nice, and then the suspension hides the weight a little bit. Obviously, the tires they give it away because they don't grip it forever. But other than that, it's really fun still.
Yeah. I mean, for a daily like this, you can do this. It's amazing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, Alan.
All right. Thank you.
Good driving.
Yeah. Thank you.
Keep it tight to the right. Eyes up. Eyes are looking around. Bring it around. Bring it around. Eyes are up. Look at the next corner. Power up. Power. Brake hard. Turn it in. Modulate the power all the way through. Hands are always 9 and 3.
Awesome.
All right. There we go. Back safe and sound.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
This one? The green? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Good. That's good.
You are good to go. Yeah, that doesn't work. So it's electric. You got to be smoother on the throttle. You're too choppy on it. Okay. Bring it tight to the right. Brake. Turn left. Bring it around. Continue left. Continue left. Right. Left. And we're gonna be making a left. Brake left. Need more brake. More brake. Bring it around.
A little bit understeer here.
Brake left. Right. Brake left.
More brake.
Left. Right. Power, and then straight into the yellow cones.
This is rear-wheel drive, right?
Correct. Yeah. Electric motor in the rear.
Okay.
5,000 pounds. It's a 4-door sedan.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for coming out. Use the entire microphone.
the